Hi friends, welcome back to your English Linguist, where we have fun learning every day. Today, we're learning the phonics sounds of the letters V, W, X, Y and Z. Let's start. The letter V has a voiced sound made by placing top teeth on bottom lip and vibrating. It always makes the V sound. Examples: van, vest. English words don't end in V alone. They are usually followed by silent E, for example give, have. Letter W. To say letter W, round your lips and push air out, voiced sound. Usually makes the W sound as in water, win, window, but in some words W stay silent. For example, who, wrist. The letter X has three phonics sounds, KS, GZ, and Z. The most common sound is K plus S, like in box, fox. But sometimes it makes GZ sound like in exam, and it also makes Z sound in some words like in xylophone. The letter Y has three phonics sounds, Y, E, and I. It sounds Y, as in yes, E, as in happy, I, as in cry. Z is the voiced buzzing sound made with tongue near the roof of the mouth. It always makes the Z sound. Examples: zoo, zip. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.